So we've been spraying for 6 years now, and it's crazy to see the advancements that's been made in the technology, software and hardware alike. So education and training to perform legal and safe spray drone operations. A lot of people have the perception that this is kind of a toy. It's pretty straightforward and easy, but there's a lot of rules and guidelines to follow. Here you can see my binders with training manuals, operations manuals, registration, permits, everything needed to take care of this. Today we're in Rosendale doing spray drone operations, applying fungicide to wheat. Sprayed about a 20-acre field right here. So that's about 40 gallons of product. Our spray report will give us the accurate rundown on the precise acres to a tenth, as well as the volume sprayed down to the 1/100th of a gallon. The drone's a great tool to provide an accurate application. Right, it's pretty low volume. It's equipped with flow meters, so we have that calibrated. We know exactly how much is getting applied and where it's being put down. Of course, we don't want to over apply. We don't want to use more product than we need. Stewardship wise, it's not necessary, as well as from the cost aspect. Fungicide is a very expensive input. It can cost over $20 an acre for that, on top of the drone application itself, which can range from $10 to $15. So of course we don't want to pay for more than we need to. As farming practices evolve and we pay more attention to soil, plant health, and ultimately protecting our resources, the drone is a great tool to have in the toolbox as we execute precise, accurate, and careful operations to protect our resources.